Hey, it's your boy. Just don't, man. Open your Internet Explorer. Wait, nobody use that shit anymore. Let's use Google Chrome and then type www.google.com. Wait, shit, man. That's right. Okay. So and then search Android APK file, or if not gonna work, then type Clash of Clans APK file. Then download this kind of APK file, and then once you download it, you're gonna get this kind of file, and then copy this file on your phone and then install it in your phone, and then that's done. But you're gonna need another phone able to do this, and the other phone has to have a Clash of Clans, and both of your phone and the other phone has to have a Share It. Share It is a application you can download in the Google Play Store that you can use to send another app. So yeah, that's the second method. It's fast, but you're gonna need another phone. You're gonna need a laptop to laptop or computer to do it, and then you're gonna download a BlueStack, then create a APK file, then copy the APK file in your phone, then install it. I made a separate video about this because it's really long. Yes, I will link the video in the description below. So yeah, that's all.